I have 11 pounds of kinetic sand, and I'm gonna do stuff to it. That has to be phrased differently. I have 11 pounds of kinetic sand, and I'm going to use it in a creative way. I don't know if that sounds any better. I have 11 pounds of kinetic sand,
and stuff will happen.
I think that's as good as I'm gonna get. So I've watched some videos, heard some things, and apparently you can use kinetic sand as a mold. I have a lot of stuff that requires a mold, or a mold can be used for it. I was figuring I can do some experiments on this. I found this thing. Ooh.
Dun, 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 dun.
I would create a mold using this and pour various things in this and see what happens. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to flatten this. I will use this to squish it in and we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna squish it all the way in. Okay, well, maybe I should have used the smaller mold, but we're going with this right now. I'm going to use melt and pour soap, pour it in there, and see how well it worked. Okay, so now I'm gonna melt some stuff. I'm just gonna pour it in here. See how well this works. Maybe I should pour it slower. Well, it's too late now. All right, now we wait until it's hardened. Oh my God, I really did make a mess.
Oh,
Is my table scratched because of the sand? Anyway, we're not gonna worry about that now. I'm just going to let this cool and see what happens. Okay, so it's definitely hardened. So I'm gonna take it out and see what we have here. I just use my fingers. I have a butter knife. Oh. Okay, we have a thing. Looks like a potato. I made a potato. Double shame. I don't know if you heard that. It's my dog. I swear that was my dog. I don't know if using a bowl of water would work either, because it's soap. I didn't think this through. Okay, I am gonna use a bowl of water because I want to see if I can get this stuff out. I'm gonna move this to the side. Have the bowl of water. Have a paper towel on hand. Let's see if the water helps, but I do not have high hopes right now. I don't know what to do. This is a hot mess. I mean, it's scrubby, very exfoliating. I made an exfoliating potato. Okay, I'm gonna try wax next because I actually did see a video on the wax. Thought I found a cool way to make soap molds. Not so much. This time, I'm not gonna pack it as hard. Where's my butter knife? Oh no. It's fine. It's fine. I don't know if this is gonna work better or worse. I don't know. I don't know at this point. I don't know what I'm expecting. But I'm gonna use this mold again. We'll see if it works with wax. All right, just gonna squish that sand in. Maybe more sand won't fall. It seems if you don't pack it in or before, it works better. Okay, all right, I'm learning. So now I'm going to heat up wax and see what happens. Just in case this works, I'm gonna put a wick in there. I have my melted wax. It's soy wax. I have my little temperature thingy and I don't know what happened to it. So I don't know how hot this is, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna be super careful about where I pour this to. I'm a little worried. Well, okay. All right. So far it looks good. Okay. Poured. See what happens. It's starting to soak in. Oh, I wonder if that's what happened with the soap. Oh no, it's just soaking in. Do I pour more in? This was not on the video I saw. I'm sad now. This didn't work. There's no wax somewhere in there.
This is a challenge now.
So what I'm gonna do, since I figured the soy wax was just too soft, I found these candles, which is the hard wax. But I'm gonna cut these up, melt them, and put them in here. I'm not gonna mess with the mold because I think the soy wax is gonna help keep its shape. So we're just gonna move this to the side. We're gonna cut this, and hopefully I don't cut myself. Wow, this is hard. Oh. Instead of cutting, I just used a hammer. It worked. So I heated the wax, the harder wax. This is around 160, so I think that's okay. I'm just going with it. All right, so I'm gonna pour it slowly. Can you see, other camera? No, it's not the best angle, but I had such high hopes. Okay, all right. You know what? We'll just see. We'll see how this works. We'll see. I gave this 2 hours. 2 hours to harden. Good news, it's still in there. It didn't sink. So now I will take the wax out and see what happened. Okay. I will see it. Oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's how far the original soy wax got. Oh, it did pop out. Okay. Oh, it popped out. All right, let's see. Oh, okay. So this didn't turn out too bad. So my thoughts are that if you use a harder wax, not soy wax, don't use soy wax, you might get better results. If that wax is cooler, you might get better results. Honestly though, I don't know if because of the soy wax being poured here, if it made the mold harder, if that's part of the reason it turned out. I don't know. This time it worked.
Yay!
Something worked. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try to pour pewter into this. I will see what happens. I'm gonna find a metal container, find my pewter, find my little melty pot thing. I need to learn more technical terms. Kind of science!
It's kind of science time.
I think that's copyright. I don't think
Kind of science time?
I don't know.
I don't think it's copyright.
I don't. You shouldn't
Okay.
sing.
I got my safety flip flops.
Yes. Have
And
my
you got
safety
your lab
glove.
robe.
Ignore this hand.
That's the unsafe hand. That's the safe hand.
Yeah, it's okay because it's in my safety robe,
Yes.
safety glasses. All right,
Super safe.
so safe. Oops, so safe. All right. Ooh. All right. So I'm gonna do this. I don't know how well this is gonna work.
Stuff.
Okay, so I guess
Scooping them.
this is gonna take a while. Oh no. It's okay. All right, I guess we just do that.
Hot metal smell.
Oh, can you smell it? Oh, I should have put a mask on. Okay, I'm not like completely safe.
It's just kind of science. It's fine.
It's kind of. I am not a professional. I know it's hard not to see this right now, but I am not a professional.
I don't believe you.
I know, I'm tricksy that way. Okay. Do you think that's good?
I don't know. Not some kind of metal scientist.
All right. We'll call it good.
Okay.
All right.
It's good.
Pewter in kinetic sand. Let's see what happens. All right. So now I'm gonna turn this off. Gonna let that cool. Hopefully there are no deliveries, because this will this would be a little weird.
I wouldn't even know what to put on a sign to tell them
Just no.
what's happening here. Just ignore this. It's fine. Everything's fine. Thank you for the
fine.
DoorDash or whatever. Okay.
Okay, we're good. It's ready. Let's see what we got here. Cool to the touch. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure I'm not gonna burn off my hands. It's snow! It's just snow! You don't need to bark at snow! It's snowing. Okay, it's chaos here. There's gonna be sounds. There's just gonna be sounds. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up before it gets louder. Let's see what we have. Okay, okay. All right, we're just gonna remove that. Oh. Okay, there is a smell to it, but maybe that's normal. Hopefully it doesn't kill me. I don't know, maybe I should have done this outside with a mask. Like, it's not affecting my breathing or anything, which, I mean, cool. All right, I need a paper towel. Ooh. Oh, cool. All right. I'm getting sand everywhere. Just for a comparison, this is the head I used for the mold, and this is a pewter cast. As far as pewter, this isn't bad. The kinetic sand, there were no burnt edges or anything. The texture, it's a little bumpy, but it's really not bad. That's really cool. Possibilities. And the great thing is you could just keep reusing it, and it's fun. These are the things I made. I also had the soy wax mold. I think I might have just thrown that away. There you go. My experiment. I hope to do more things like this because it's interesting to me. I like to figure things out and see if they work. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If you were thinking of doing something like this, or you had no idea this could be done, well, hopefully I helped. Thank you for watching if you got this far. And subscribe, because that would be cool. Yeah. Thanks. It's gonna leave.